今カリちゃんのとこから配信してる。今カリちゃんがいない。The only thing I felt like rating was I saw in her kitchen, she has, you know that Nutella snack with the sticks? She has one of those there. I kind of want to take it. Kelly gets it, you know. She also has a Nutella glass there. That's pretty rare in Japan, I would say. Resist the temptation. Kelly's on record for not liking Nutella? What? Then why is it so openly on the kitchen counter? It's a gift from me. No way. I'll ask her when she's back. 今ね、カリちゃんが出かけてて、今一人でいる。I don't think it's a given. Not everyone just blindly would give someone full access on their home. But I mean, we've been working together for 2.5 years or so. I also asked her for a shirt. I didn't change yet. Right now I'm still feeling okay, but when I first arrived I felt like super overheated. So I asked if she could borrow me a shirt to wear for the stream. Maybe I'll change later if I feel hotter later.